Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about find and search. So this is our data. Today is Tuesday, and suppose you are interested in finding TO. So using find, that means is equal to and find. And the first thing what you want to find, that is this one, comma, from where you want to find, that is this one. So formula will remain same for search also and find also. So search also again this and then comma this one. Okay, and both will give you the same output, that is the starting index number. So only one difference between find and search is if find is case sensitive and search is not a case sensitive. It means if I write lowercase letter to something like this, so we are getting some value error, but search we are getting it is at index number 1. For example, if I write now is, it is here, so we will get the output for both the case find as well as search. But if I write tu for Tuesday, t is capital, so we will get the value error in using find, but in using search we will get the index number, and that is also starting index number. Thank you everyone.